Easy pour spout. Angled pour spout is specially designed to prevent dripping and dribbling when pouring, ideal for iced tea, water and juice. Tight-fitting lid. Specially engineered lid is designed to prevent dust and debris out. Material-Polycarbonate. Top diameter 5.06 inch, bottom diameter 4.5 inch, diameter with handle 6.25 inch. This dimension is the max diameter with handle. Min diameter with handle 6.125 inch. Shatter-resistant, made from high-strength plastic designed to withstand daily use, this pitcher is ideal for both home and commercial use, both indoors and out. Dishwasher Safe, safe for both residential and commercial dishwashers for easy cleaning. NSF Certified BPA free, certified by the National Sanitation Foundation and made from BPA-free plastic. Finally, a 2-quart plastic pitcher that is designed to last. This commercial-grade pitcher is designed to withstand daily use in restaurants, cafes, hotels and busy home kitchens. The clear pitcher features extra thick walls that won't bend or flex like cheaper residential-grade pitchers, making it your go-to water pitcher, juice pitcher or iced tea pitcher. The durable plastic material won't crack, chip or break if dropped, ideal for serving drinks indoors or outdoors. The subtle texture is highly resistant to scratches and fingerprints, making this juice pitcher stand the test of time. The tight-fitting lid ensures beverages stay free from environmental contaminants. The specially designed angled pour spout prevents dribbling or splashing for mess-free beverage service. The reinforced handle design ensures a steady grip when pouring from this half-gallon pitcher. Cleanup is a breeze with this 64-ounce pitcher. The smooth interior is specially designed to resist staining, making this pitcher perfect for iced tea or other colored beverages that are prone to staining. Both pitcher and lid are rated for use in residential and commercial dishwashers. 100% BPA-free and recyclable. Pitcher is 8.5 inch tall with a maximum diameter of 7.5. Top reviews from the United States. Buy it. This pitchers really are heavy duty. You can put hot water in it and nothing happens. I use them to put my brewed hot coffee and tea in it. I leave it in an open space without a lid so it can cool down for a few minutes, and then I put it in my fridge. I love the product, but I wished I could find a bigger version.